I need to empty out my fridge, like clean it, wipe it down, take out old food, expired food, whatever else. And I want to do my cabinets too, and clean that out. Because I'm going to do grocery shopping today, but I want the fridge and the cabinets, everything to be clean and organized. And get out all the expiration stuff before I go grocery shopping, so I have a clean fridge and cabinets to put the new food in. So I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna show you what my fridge is looking like, what my cabinets are looking like, and then we'll get into the video and start cleaning everything out and wiping everything down. So this is what my fridge is looking like right now. It is pretty empty, so I need to clean it and then be able to do some grocery shopping. The freezer is a hot mess. Like, we have boxes with like a little bit of stuff in it that needs to be taken out and just clean and organized. My cabinets are just kind of all over the place, so I need to clean them and organize them. And I use this top shelf cabinet down here for like snacks. And I got some teas back there and whatever else. And then this cabinet is like for the bread and then like chips and whatever else. I would love to like have another shelf to make it bigger, but I can't. And then I just gotta clean all of that up. So well, let's get this.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, done with my own doubts.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, oh. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, oh. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, oh.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
Down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in fast, going hard in the pit, yeah. Yeah, I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? Way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cashed else, I just wanted him to lose you. Damn, puffing on that bullshit Uncle Sam's. Who'da thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
That is it for this video. It did take me a while to do, and it needed to be done like so bad, but I'm really glad that I did get it done. I really should make this a monthly thing. But when I got to the pantry and the cabinets and everything for the food, I did not record everything just because I could not get the right angles for me sorting out the food on the counter and, you know, everything else. But I did get it done, and I show you guys here the finished result, and I'm so much happier with how more organizing it is. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Break me, oh no, nothing can break me.